Hi guys, Cindy A. Lewis here. I am going to show you how to make a snowman hot cocoa little guy, and he's going to be so cute. You'll need 3 containers. You can use these from the Dollar Tree. They're small, 1.5 cup rounds. These containers are blue lids. You're going to need some buttons. You're going to need a hat. You're going to need some ribbon. You'll have to decide what you like. You're going to need glue. I'm going to use the E6000. You can use regular glue. I hesitate to use the real hot glue. If you have a glue gun that is a lower temp, you could probably use that on here. But I'm using some Zots as well to help hold until the E6000 dries. You're going to need some hot chocolate, or you can make your own, some marshmallows, some candy canes, and then a little piece of orange construction paper. I'm just going to use some scrap that I had left over from this, from some planner designing, so I'm going to set that aside. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to open your containers and give them a good wash and dry. Okay, so to make the snowman of hot chocolate, which is your hot chocolate snowman, you're going to only need to use 3. So I'm going to take 1 and set it aside. So you need your lids and your containers. Now 1 you're going to put marshmallows in. And 1 you're going to put peppermints in, and 1 you're going to put hot chocolate. Now the first thing that you need to do is you're going to decide what your bottom is where you're going to put your hot chocolate. So you're going to glue the lid of the bottom to the middle like this, if you can see. Okay, so I'm going to glue that. So like I said, for my own, I'm going to go ahead and use a glue dot to help hold my container in place while the E6000 glue dries. Now this will not be able to be submerged in water, but they will be able to wash it and reuse it. So I'm going to put my glue on here so you can see it. You see? Okay. Now I'm going to glue my lid on, and I'm going to do it upside down so that I can see what I'm doing here. So I want my snowman to be as straight as possible. So, as you can see, got a good seal on there. So we're going to do that to the next one. And while this is setting, I'm going to put something heavy on it to let it set. I'm going to get a glass. Okay, so one more time, we're going to glue like this so that the seal is on the bottom. So I'm going to take my container here. I'm going to put 1 glue dot in the middle to help stabilize. You can get glue dots at the Dollar Tree, or you can get them at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, just about anywhere. And again, we're going to go around the edge with the E6000. Again, you don't have to use that. You can use a low temp glue gun. You can use tacky glue. Any kind of glue that you have. This is just, I want to make sure it stays together really well. Okay. Now, I'm going to stick my lid upside down on here. Center it. to let that dry. Sets pretty quickly because I have the blue dot. It's helping the E6000 to dry. So I'll let that dry a little bit more. Now, one thing that I did find, and we can prep while we're waiting, is this cute corn cob pipe. Now, I'm not going to glue it onto anything, but I'm going to include it with the gift just as a fun thing. And I did get that for 66% off at Hobby Lobby. Okay, so we have 2 containers that we glued tops to, which will fit on top of each other like this. This, and then this one will fit here. So it will look like this. Okay. As you can see, it's sticking really well already. I believe that we could go ahead and add our ingredients to each container and then set it aside for our buttons and our bow, for our scarf, for our snowman. So the first thing, I'm going to go ahead and put some candy canes in this one. And I've just got these mini candy canes from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to fill this container here. And that is going to be my middle. Oh my gosh, that's my cat. Yes, that was my cat, Leo, wanting attention. Alright, since this is the middle, I'm going to put marshmallows in the top. These are mini marshmallows. Dollar Tree has them, Walmart has them. You can find mini marshmallows just about everywhere. So I'm just going to fill this one with mini marshmallows. And this is going to be a part of a little gift tray that I make. Now I do want my lids to line up exactly the same way, so that can be in the back. So I'm going to do that. So you can see how it's starting to take shape here. Alright, and the last one, I'm going to put, I want to make sure there's no water in there. I've tried it, I don't know how many times, but I just want to make sure there's no water. Okay. So the last one I'm going to put in is the hot chocolate. You can have any hot chocolate mix that you want to put in there. You can also make your own hot chocolate if you like to do that. I was going to do that, and I put all the ingredients, but I thought it would be so much quicker to just add some yummy, when it smells so good, mostly hot chocolate. So I'm going to take the hot chocolate and add it here. Okay, so I filled my hot chocolate. Okay, so the hot chocolate needs to be in the one with no bottom. And if you do make a mistake, it's alright. Just make sure you wash it out and put the candy canes in the next one. Thought I had it right, but alright, now the candy canes are in the middle and the marshmallows are on the top. And I'll line up our little tabs so they'll be in the back. Okay, and then we have our glass lid. Alright, so now we have our stack. Make our snowman. We're going to take a little hat that I got at Walmart for half off. Stovetop hat. And I'm just going to take this clip out. And it's in there really good. So we'll just cut it. So then this will go on top as his hat. So we're going to take our buttons and we're going to glue them on to his eyes. I don't know if I have little enough buttons. These are just some extra buttons that I had lying around. And I'm just going to take some for his eyes and his buttons down his front. If you can see those. Okay, so I'm going to put his eyes on with some glue dots, and I'm going to put it right there, and do another one. Okay. And then I'm going to make him a carrot nose with this. Let's see how big I need it. Thinking that's probably a little bit big. And I'm just cutting a triangle like this. And I'm going to stick that on also with glue dot. Right there. Okay, so my snowman staying together. Sliding a little bit. I probably should have waited until it was more dry. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 buttons here and 2 buttons here right down his front. So I need some more black buttons. And they don't have to be exact. And again, these are just buttons that I had in my stash. So we're just going to go down the front like this. You can see. And then we'll do 2 more. And if you feel like you want to give him a mouth, just use a Sharpie. So we could do that. We could make him a happy snowman. Okay, now we're going to put on a scarf. So we have to decide where we want the scarf. So we can put it around his neck, or we can put it here. My thought is actually to put it around his neck, because if we put it on this lid, it may come off. So basically I'm just going to cut it like that. And I'm going to just glue it around his neck. And then I'm going to glue it together here. And then I'm going to snip it a little bit shorter. Okay, so now we're going to affix the scarf to the snowman's top here. And we're going to glue these two pieces together so it looks like a scarf. I think I may tie it too. Like that. And then we'll glue it down like that. Okay. So I'm just going to grab a glue dot off here. Put it on the bottom scarf piece so it will stick together. And then I'm going to trim it like that so it's not so long. Alright, so we have our snowman with his scarf. And now we're going to put his top hat on. Now I am going to use the E6000 for this. And this little spring is sticking out, so I'm going to stick it back in there. There we go. So I'm going to put a couple of glue dots on here, and then I'm going to glue it with the E6000 onto the top.